Technology continues to transform the way we live, work, and communicate. But as innovation accelerates, so do concerns about electronic waste, resource consumption, and environmental impact. Today, many technology companies are adopting more sustainable practices designed to reduce waste, improve efficiency, and protect valuable natural resources. In this presentation, we'll explore how the tech industry is working toward a greener and more sustainable future. The technology industry is one of the most innovative sectors in the world. Every year, new devices, services, and digital solutions are introduced that improve productivity, communication, entertainment, and countless aspects of daily life. However, this rapid pace of innovation comes with significant environmental challenges. As new products enter the market, older devices are often replaced and discarded. This creates a growing stream of electronic waste that must be managed responsibly. At the same time, manufacturing technology products requires large amounts of raw materials, energy, and resources. The extraction and processing of these materials can place considerable strain on ecosystems and natural environments. As consumers become more environmentally conscious and governments introduce stricter regulations, sustainability is becoming a major focus for technology companies around the world. Businesses are recognizing that environmental responsibility is no longer optional. It is becoming an essential part of long-term success. One of the most effective ways to reduce electronic waste is to address the problem at the design stage. Traditionally, many electronic devices were designed with limited repair options, making replacement more practical than repair. As a result, millions of products were discarded even when only a single component had failed. Today, many manufacturers are shifting toward designs that prioritize durability, repairability, and upgradability. These improvements help extend the useful life of products and reduce the amount of waste entering the recycling stream. Modular components are becoming an increasingly important part of sustainable design. Instead of replacing an entire device, users can replace specific components such as batteries, storage drives, screens, or cameras. This approach not only reduces waste, but also provides consumers with greater value by allowing them to keep devices functioning longer. Several companies are leading the way when it comes to sustainable product design. Apple has committed to increasing the use of recycled rare earth elements in its products. Rare earth materials are essential for many electronic components, but mining them can have significant environmental consequences. By using recycled materials, Apple helps reduce demand for new extraction. Fairphone has built its entire business around repairable smartphones. The company's devices are designed so users can easily replace components without specialized tools. This significantly extends product lifespan and reduces electronic waste. Dell has also introduced laptops with user-replaceable parts. Consumers can upgrade or repair components without replacing the entire system, making technology ownership more sustainable and cost-effective. These examples demonstrate that better design can reduce waste while improving the customer experience. Creating technology products requires a complex global supply chain involving numerous raw materials and manufacturing processes. Many electronics rely on metals and minerals that must be extracted from the earth. In some cases, mining operations can damage ecosystems, contribute to pollution, and create social concerns within local communities. To address these challenges, companies are increasingly focusing on ethical sourcing practices. This means ensuring that materials are obtained responsibly while reducing environmental and social impacts. Sustainable manufacturing also involves reducing emissions, minimizing waste, and improving efficiency throughout production facilities. As companies strengthen their sustainability commitments, responsible sourcing and cleaner manufacturing are becoming important competitive advantages. Many of the world's largest technology companies have established ambitious sustainability goals related to materials and manufacturing. Google has committed to increasing the use of recycled and renewable materials throughout its product portfolio. This helps reduce dependence on newly extracted resources and supports a more circular economy. Microsoft has announced plans to become carbon negative by 2030. This goal involves reducing emissions while also removing carbon from the atmosphere through various environmental initiatives. Intel is working to reduce water consumption and energy use throughout its semiconductor manufacturing operations. Since chip production requires substantial resources, efficiency improvements can create meaningful environmental benefits. These commitments demonstrate how sustainability is becoming integrated into core business strategies rather than existing as separate environmental programs. Sustainability extends beyond environmental concerns. It also includes the treatment of workers and the transparency of supply chains. Technology companies increasingly recognize the importance of understanding where materials come from and how they are produced. Greater transparency helps businesses identify risks and improve accountability throughout their supplier networks. Responsible sourcing programs can help ensure safer working conditions, fair labor practices, and greater protection for workers involved in mining and manufacturing operations. Companies are also requiring suppliers to meet stricter environmental and ethical standards. These expectations help create positive changes throughout the supply chain while supporting long-term sustainability goals. By improving transparency and accountability, businesses can strengthen trust with consumers while creating more responsible production systems. Modern digital services rely heavily on data centers. These facilities support cloud computing, online storage, artificial intelligence, streaming platforms, and countless business applications. As demand for digital services grows, so does the amount of energy required to operate these facilities. Data centers consume enormous amounts of electricity to power servers and maintain cooling systems. Without improvements in efficiency, growing energy demands could significantly increase carbon emissions and environmental impacts. To address this challenge, technology companies are investing in energy-efficient hardware, smarter cooling systems, and renewable energy sources. These efforts help reduce environmental impact while ensuring that digital services remain reliable and accessible. Some of the largest cloud service providers have made major investments in renewable energy. Amazon Web Services continues to expand its use of solar and wind energy to power data center operations around the world. These investments help reduce dependence on fossil fuels while supporting growing demand for cloud services. Google Cloud has also prioritized renewable energy and operational efficiency. By integrating clean energy into its infrastructure, the company is reducing the environmental footprint of its global operations. Microsoft Azure has similarly invested in renewable energy projects that support long-term sustainability goals while powering cloud computing services. These efforts demonstrate how renewable energy can support both business growth and environmental responsibility. In addition to cleaner energy sources, technology companies are working to reduce energy demand itself. One important area of focus is processor efficiency. More powerful and efficient chips can perform complex tasks while consuming less electricity. Companies such as NVIDIA and AMD are developing processors designed to maximize performance while minimizing power consumption. These advancements are particularly important for artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and large-scale data processing. Cooling technology is another area where improvements are being made. Modern cooling systems use less energy and, in some cases, less water than older designs. Together, these innovations help reduce the environmental footprint of computing while supporting continued technological advancement. Recycling remains one of the most important components of sustainable technology practices. Many companies now operate take-back programs that encourage consumers to return old electronics for responsible processing. These programs help ensure devices are recycled properly, rather than discarded in landfills. Apple's trade-in program allows customers to return eligible devices for credit toward future purchases. This creates incentives for responsible recycling and reuse. Retailers such as Best Buy also provide convenient electronics recycling services that help consumers dispose of devices safely. These initiatives contribute to material recovery, resource conservation, and reduced environmental impact. Licensed recyclers play a critical role in helping companies manage electronic waste responsibly. These organizations specialize in collecting, sorting, dismantling, and processing electronic devices in accordance with environmental standards. Through advanced recycling techniques, valuable materials such as copper, aluminum, gold, and plastics can be recovered and reintroduced into manufacturing processes. Licensed recyclers also ensure hazardous materials are handled safely, reducing risk to both people and the environment. Strong partnerships between technology companies and licensed recyclers are essential for achieving sustainability goals and supporting responsible resource recovery. Although significant progress has been made, there is still considerable work ahead. Electronic waste continues to grow globally, and demand for technology products shows no signs of slowing down. Companies must continue developing innovative solutions that balance growth with environmental responsibility. Future improvements may include more recyclable materials, longer-lasting products, enhanced repairability, and more efficient manufacturing processes. Governments, businesses, recyclers, and consumers will all play important roles in shaping a more sustainable future. The decisions made today will help determine how effectively the technology industry addresses environmental challenges in the years ahead. The push for sustainability is transforming the technology industry. Companies are redesigning products to reduce waste, improving manufacturing processes, adopting ethical sourcing practices, and investing in renewable energy solutions. Advances in recycling, repairability, and energy efficiency are helping reduce environmental impact while supporting continued innovation. Although challenges remain, the industry is making meaningful progress toward a future where technology and sustainability work hand in hand. By supporting responsible recycling and sustainable products, consumers can help accelerate this positive change. Thank you for joining us as we explore the growing movement toward sustainable technology industry practices. Through innovation, responsible manufacturing, energy efficiency, recycling initiatives, and partnerships with licensed recyclers, companies are making important progress toward reducing their environmental footprint. Every sustainable choice, from designing longer-lasting products to recycling old electronics, helps create a cleaner future for generations to come. Reach us by phone, email, or our website. Together, we can drive innovation responsibly, reduce electronic waste, and build a more sustainable future for technology and our planet.